ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P hapo ka Jingkiewdor jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong balayada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating balale da ka Meva Enterprise
ka Sorkar jilla kandang habban Ïathir sani bha bin pa bin bat ka Tnat transport ha Shwa ban Shim ya ka noko rai ha ka bay day bat ka Jingkiewdor jong ka Petrol bat diesel ka balakta hado kata ya ka kamay ka ji jong ki nong nya kali kamay kumjuru ya ki pait ba nong shong kali namar ka Jingkiewdor ya ka bay shong kali Habay keren bat kilat pathai kubor hadian ka Jingkiewdor ya ki nong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle Usembut Menteri Rangba jong jelau ba Preston Tensong Ulaong baga Sorkar kan hab ban ken ban dia bin pa bin Halor ke jingot khajna na ka petrol bat ka diesel bat hadian kane ka Sorkar kan sala ban penmi ya ka jingpen bena da kumwai pat namar ba ka Jingkiewdor jong ka petrol bat diesel kam dai satia tang hapo ka jela Meghalaya nrei ka longru ha ka perthei barok ka wei
It's not matter where we can just give any promises while submitting the memorandum. I told them let the government examine because the memorandum is submitted to me. Let the department concerned to work out and then see what can be done. And because yes, we are here also for the interest of the state as a whole, not to any particular section, but we are here for the interest of the state as a whole. Therefore, whatever issues they pointed out in the memorandum will be examined by the government. Don't compare only for Meghalaya alone, but you need to also see the overall situation that we have in the nation as a whole. Ngadep ong Ïathir ngong pe ngin examine. Ngamong let us examine, we will examine. Namar kane ka khajanar kade ka ses. Te ka ses ka mengisim kalong baik namar ba pilatip bahai kane ka ses kalong da ka bentaka education sector. Mo na ka education sector ka diesel ka petrol ngisim ka ses. So therefore bangan suong baik bangila banle komta kamlong nakata ong nglaong Ïathir ka government ka sa examine ngan sa take up pat ka transport department bakin work out ka best possible way banle na komta ban east yang ni ka Jingkiewdor kan san ka petrol bat ka diesel hapo ndai tang Meghalaya ndai hakarin dia